How to fix mirror or inverted video call in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix mirror or inverted video call in WhatsApp. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, restart your mobile device. For that, hold on the power button on your device, and then the restart option appears on your screen, where you have to simply slide towards restart and restart your device. Once you do that, you need to check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If not, simply open settings on your Android device. After a while, you have to scroll down and locate apps. Select App Management from top of the screen, and then scroll down and open the app info page of WhatsApp. Once it opens, simply select Storage Uses from the section. Clear all the cache. This will help you to resolve different kinds of glitches and bugs from WhatsApp application like mirror or inverted video call. Once you do that, simply come back from the section and then go to the Play Store on your device and search for the WhatsApp update. Type in WhatsApp on the search bar, and if you see the update button, simply tap on it and update it to the latest version. Once you follow all this step, your mirror or inverted video call problem on WhatsApp will be resolved. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.